Hi and welcome to a new tech stuff episode on my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about my favorite props I currently use on my Tokio X frame from Flight Club. It's a prop from Dalprop. There are two different props I use. There is the Cyclone T5040C and it's also Cyclone series, the T5040C. I'm just gonna go through the reasons why I prefer these in comparison to other props. The first point is something which other props do as well as these, in my opinion. It's the flexibility of the blade. They don't break easy. They just bend if you crash, and you can bend them back and keep on flying with the same prop. It's really hard to break these props. The 5040 is a bit softer than the 5046, but both are very strong, very durable, and you just put them back in their correct shape and keep on flying. The second point is the quality of the footage you get of your GoPro with these props. So they are really well balanced. I have no problems with 5040C or 5046C. Doesn't matter which prop you use. Didn't even change my pit tuning on my quad, and everything is fine. You get great footage, and that's a very important point for me. The next point is prop wash. Before I used these props, I used HQ 5040s and also 5046 props, and I wasn't really that happy with prop wash. Perhaps it's also my tuning or my stick skills. For sure there is a lot of possibilities to get better on my stick skills, but from the beginning, without any special tuning, I got better results in case of prop wash with both of these props, and that's another reason why I prefer these. And the last point is about the design of the props, the shape of the props, and also the colors. I really like these clear looking props. Also the red ones are really nice, and my absolutely preferred color is the one I have on my quad. This looks like seawater. That's an absolute crazy color. If you want to get them, you just have to go to Banggood and order the 5046 props for the Eachine Wizard 215. And I don't know why, but this color is only available at Banggood for exactly this Eachine quad, but it's the exact same prop as any other color. I just show you the number. Here we go. I hope you can see it. T5046C. So it's really the Dalprop, which you can get in different colors, but this special color, what I really prefer to all other colors, is just available for this Eachine Wizard 215. And finally we come to some flight footage. It's captured with exactly these props, this setup like I fly it currently on my Tokio X. Also a link above here which shows you a test flight with the 5040s. The difference I can say between these two props is if you fly bigger area spots, better use the 5046, and if you fly in smaller areas, use the 5040s, just because it fits better for the speed. They are a bit slower, but you can fly a little more precise, and the 5046 gives you a little bit more speed, so if you fly in the mountains or open field or whatever, you get some more speed, but a little less precise feeling. But both of them feel really great on the sticks. That's why I fly these props. So that was all for today. Enjoy the following footage. Have a nice day. Happy flying. Bye bye.